Hey y'all, welcome back to Southern Eats. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a bite. Today, we're diving into a dish that's more than just food. It's a portal to memories, family, and that magical feeling of being transported to another world. We're talking New Orleans-style shrimp and grits. You know, food has this incredible power to take us back in time. It can make us feel alive, connected, and inspired. Just like the motivational stories you hear that push you to chase your dreams, this recipe is about embracing those flavors that stir your soul. So, grab your apron and let's get cooking while I share a little story from my heart. Growing up, my family had this tradition. Every summer, we'd pack up the car and head down to New Orleans. The Big Easy, with its vibrant streets, the sound of trumpets echoing through the French Quarter, and that humid air thick with the scent of spices and beignets. It was our escape, our adventure. But there was this one spot, a little old restaurant tucked away on a side street. I can't for the life of me remember the name. It was one of those hidden gems that felt like a secret just for us. We'd squeeze into a booth, the wooden tables worn from years of stories shared over meals. The walls were adorned with faded Mardi Gras masks and jazz posters. And when that plate of shrimp and grits hit the table, oh honey, it was like stepping into another land. The shrimp were plump and juicy, sautéed in a buttery sauce laced with Cajun spices that danced on your tongue. Garlic, paprika, a kick of cayenne. Grits, creamy, cheesy, like a warm hug from the South. Each bite was a symphony, the brininess of the shrimp mingling with the earthy corn grits, all tied together with green onions and maybe a splash of lemon for that bright zing. It wasn't just the taste, it was how it made me feel, like I was in a fairy tale, far from everyday worries. My family laughing, sharing stories, the world outside fading away. Those vacations taught me that food isn't just sustenance, it's motivation. It motivates us to gather, to remember, to create joy in the simplest ways. And today, I'm motivated to bring that magic into your kitchen. Even if I can't recall the restaurant's name, I've recreated those flavors from memory, tweaking them to perfection. Let's make some shrimp and grits that'll transport you too. All right, let's break this down. This recipe serves about 4 people, and it'll take around 30 to 40 minutes total. First, the ingredients. For the grits, 1 cup stone ground grits. Not instant, y'all. We want that authentic texture. 4 cups chicken broth or water. 1 cup heavy cream. 1 cup shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons butter. For the shrimp, 1 pound large shrimp, peeled and deveined. 4 slices bacon, chopped or andouille sausage for extra kick. 1/2 cup diced onion. 1/2 cup diced bell pepper, green or red. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon Cajun seasoning, or make your own with paprika, cayenne, thyme, oregano. 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, adjust for heat. 1 cup chicken broth. 1/4 cup heavy cream. Juice of 1 lemon. 2 green onions, sliced for garnish. Fresh parsley, chopped. Got all that? Great. Now let's prep. Start by rinsing your shrimp under cold water. Pat them dry and season with a pinch of salt, pepper, and half the Cajun seasoning. Set aside. Dice your veggies, onion, bell pepper, garlic. Chop the bacon. This is where the magic begins. Prepping with intention, just like planning your next big dream. Now for the grits, because they take a bit longer. In a large pot, bring your 4 cups of chicken broth to a boil. Slowly whisking the grits to avoid lumps. Reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. you're building that creamy base, layer by layer, just like building motivation, one step at a time. While that's going, let's tackle the shrimp topping. In a large skillet over medium heat, cook the chopped bacon until crispy. Move it with a slotted spoon, but leave that flavorful fat in the pan. That's your foundation, full of smoky goodness. Add the diced onion and bell pepper to the skillet. Sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until softened. Toss in the minced garlic. Smell that? It's the aroma of New Orleans calling. Cook for another minute, then add the remaining Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, and cayenne. Stir it up. Let those spices bloom. Now in go the shrimp. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes per side until pink and opaque. Don't overdo it. We want them tender, like cherished memories. Pour in the chicken broth, heavy cream, and lemon juice. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes to thicken into a luscious sauce. Stir back in the bacon and taste. Adjust seasoning if needed. Boom, that's your topping. Back to the grits. Once they're thick and creamy, stir in the heavy cream, butter, and cheddar cheese. Keep stirring until melted and smooth. Season with salt and pepper. If it's too thick, add a splash more broth. To serve, spoon the grits into bowls. Top with the shrimp and sauce. Garnish with green onions and parsley. Look at that, steaming, inviting, ready to transport you. Pro tip, for that extra authenticity, use stone ground grits from a local mill if you can. And if you're feeling adventurous, add some diced tomatoes or okra for a veggie twist. Remember, cooking is like motivation. Adapt it to what inspires you. Make it your own. Y'all, one bite and I'm back in that little restaurant, family around me, feeling like anything's possible. This dish isn't just food, it's a reminder that the best things in life come from heart, heritage, and a dash of spice. It motivates me to keep exploring Southern flavors, and I hope it does the same for you. If this recipe stirred something in you, give it a thumbs up. Comment below with your own food memories, and share this video with someone who needs a taste of inspiration. Don't forget to follow @WatchSouthernEats on all socials for more Southern goodness. Until next time, keep eating, keep dreaming, and stay motivated. Bye, y'all.